Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're going to do another welding video today. Got in a conversation the other day with a guy. Says you cannot weld stainless to carbon steel, just plain old iron, which is BS. I've done it many a time, and I've seen videos on YouTube where guys try to use scrap stainless and mix it, and they couldn't get it together, and they said, oh, they couldn't get it to stick because it was stainless, you know. Well, that's not the case. All stainless is got a high nickel concentrate in regular iron. You add nickel to it, you get stainless. You know, it's what stainless steel. You add nickel to steel, you get stainless steel. And the more nickel you add, the higher grade stainless it is. There's some that's magnetic, and your food grade stuff, your high, I think it's 404, magnet won't stick to it. So, for today's demonstration, went and got some out of the junk pile, been laying out there for, I don't know, a year or two. These were just little bits I had left off other stuff. And they look like they're rusty, but they're not. They've been laying out there with iron forever. The only thing I did, I kind of ground the bottom real quick because I had the burrs on them. But these are high quality stainless. See, won't stick. Will not stick. Pick it up whatsoever. It's got a lot of nickel in it. And I think these are actually like, you know, the 404, the food grade. They are food grade, but I think 404 is the number. But that magnet's stout. That's plain old iron right there. Just I doubt it's even a grade 50. It's plain old junk iron. But don't stick. That's stainless, and this can be done with about anything. Example on this old log splitter. There you go. Get your water holder, beer holder, whatever. I welded plain old stainless up to plain old iron. I've done it many a time. There's no secret to it. I don't know why anybody would think there is. You turn that welder up hot enough, you'll burn that nickel out. So anyways, we got two welders and two kinds of wire and two deals. I picked what I figured most people's going to be using. That is they're both flux core. I don't have gas on this one either. That one's got Harbor Freight 30 thousandths flux core wire. And this Harbor Freight welder has got the Yes Welder E71T GS flux core wire, which I like way better than the Harbor Freight wire. I just happened to got stuck with a 10-pound spool on a deal. So anyway, I'm burning it up in that, and I'm going to convert that one to gas. So as soon as it runs out. But flux core, I love this little welder. And that Yes Welder E71T, that GS, that is some awesome wire. But anyway, I'm going to set the camera up. We're going to run these, and I'm just going to show you. You can weld them. You can weld them with anything. It don't matter. You can take 60-13 stick rod and throw on there. 11, whatever. It don't matter. So anyway, I'm going to set the camera up, and I'll be back. We'll run a pass around this stuff and bring you back, and I'll show you. So hang on. Okay, get my stuff on. First we'll run the Yes Welder E71T wire. I'll weld one up. Not a big thing. To get it untangled here, just threw it up there. And we will weld this right down get my ground. Quite as hot. Let's see, C5. All right. Tag it up, keep it from warping. Let's go up a little bit. Yeah, go a little more. Burn it a little hot, maybe. Almost. Go the whole way. It's burning in just fine. It's going right in. It ain't. Like I said, I don't know why this is such a big deal or a big secret. Or think you're gonna have special equipment. You don't. One full circle. On titanium 125 flux with just welder E71 wire. Nothing special. I'll clean it up here in a second. Now, I'm gonna put one together. And I didn't even clean this or nothing. Like I said, I ground the burr off so it's kind of set level. But I didn't prep, I didn't clean, I didn't take, you know, some kind of alcohol crap to it or brake cleaner or something and wipe the grease. So I just threw it up there and welded it. So, same as always. This might be a little hot. I just got done with this. So. Let me turn this down a little bit. I'm going to try it. I'm going to go about 115 maybe. Still kind of learning that welder, but anyways. Hopefully I don't need my MIG pliers. I left them. Oh, they're right there. Okay. Same deal. Same way. Not about as much cleaning as I did. We'll throw a tack on this. Get it good. Good. I'm just gonna. Got 4 tacks, laid up there, away we go. Same deal, we're just gonna weld it. Nothing to it, gone. Like I said, there's no big mystery to this. You can do this with about anything, it doesn't matter. Anything, kind of turn your heat up a little bit, just burn it in. You can do it with stick rod too. There ain't no special mystery. I've done it with 6013 a lot of times too. But I figured most people don't have a MIG, so we did a MIG today. This ain't got this flux cord, but I just did one with a titanium 125, pretty common welder. And you can do this with a MIG with gas. It doesn't matter. Leave a comment below what you think or what you thought before I started. But I don't know. Like I said, I ain't going to mention any name on, but he was convinced that he didn't get it done, so it couldn't be done. I don't know why. Not a big secret though. You can do it with just anything. Not a big deal putting stainless to carbon. There ain't no preheating or none of that BS either. Just threw it up there. Just like you would, you know, carbon to carbon. Oh, we're about there. And it's about to the end. Hopefully I'm not blocking that shot with my big head. I'd set up where you'd have it. Done. Okay, 2 welders, 2 wires. Woo! I'll have some real fun. Ah, hold on. Oh, resting. There's some really old water that's been laying around here. Boil, boil, boil. And you're probably wondering why I did that. I don't know, I just wanted to. I want to fill it with water. Yeah. It'll cook out, a little hole other than the spatter around it. No leaks. No leaks. Trying to cool it off a little bit. I'm going to brush it. But out of sheer funniness, that's the only reason I did that. I just wanted to fill it. Looked like a cup, didn't it? Might put a handle on there and I can drink my coffee. But you can see the welds. I mean, they look good. There's no leaks. There's a little bit of spatter where that thing was boiling like crazy, and it still is. But anyways, all right. Hold on just a second. I'll put my gloves back on and I'll scrape it and I'll show you the welds, and it's pretty well it. But anyway, I know someone's going to want to see that. Bear with me, folks. I got a new tripod here. My other one broke. It's a little quirky. So, yeah, she cooled down a little bit now. Boiling hot, boiling hot. Give me just a second, I'll get this cleaned up. I'll show you these welds. They go in, they penetrate, they're on there good. And I'll beat it with a hammer and show you it's welded on there. It's not just, you know, hanging on by a sprayer. I mean, it's just like metal to metal. Stainless don't matter. It's a bit warm. You know me. Sake of video and time, I'm trying to do this just as quick as I can. Okay. Now, pull this back out. You can see these welds. These are good enough. Okay. Hold on. Glove was getting a little warm. Alright. Hopefully you can see that. That's that E71, that Yes welder. Works just fine. Hopefully the camera's picking that up. I did that super quick, super dirty. I didn't take much time or effort in it. I just threw it down as quick as I could throw it down. It turned out good. So, same way with this one. This is the Harbor Freight wire. 30 thousandths. There's nothing. Thought I had a leak, but I don't. That's where I spilt it a while ago. But like I said, there's nothing to it. And good looking welds. And I didn't take no time or pride in them either. Well, that water splashes out. Now I'll get a hammer. And we'll just go loco here. And we'll beat it. See what we can do. And I promise you, I'm not going to get plumb stupid caveman on it, but I'm going to beat it a little bit. Show you. It'll hold. It holds just fine. Safety third. You get a hammer. I got a hammer. Somewhere I got a hammer. I got lots of hammers. There's a hammer. Hold that thought. Oh, a little old 2-pounder. Now if I can hold it and do this, be the next deal. Kind of hard to hold. There we go. There you go. Bending the metal, it ain't coming out. Like I said, no secret. There's nothing. See if I can get a hold of it and hit it again. Same way. It ain't breaking off. Alright. Hot, hot, hot. Done with that. Like I said, I just dug that stuff out of the junk pile, so. But that's to show you that you can do that. Sorry for tilting that in and out. that's to show you you don't need any special kind of equipment. You don't need any special welder. You don't have to have any kind of special wire, rod, gas. Doesn't matter. Like I said, you can throw that in with 6013. You can run that in with a gas welder on standard wire, you know, on your MIG. It don't matter. If I had it, I'd show you, but I'm waiting to burn that 10-pound spool up, and then I'm going to hook that regulator up and put a bottle of that. But anybody can do that. So if you got a piece of metal laying there that's stainless and one that's not, and you're trying to build something and you want to put it together and you're worried about it, don't be. Burn it just a little bit hot and go on. It'll be all right. And show everybody. Not up to no shenanigans here. I have to take that all out. Yeah, you can barely see the 71 TGS right there. That's the Yes Welder brand, and then this one's got the Harbor Freight wire. They're both 30,000s. The Goozy. So I ain't been a bad welder so far. I'm not pulling that big monster out. That's just that plain old Harbor Freight MIG wire. So anyways, there it is. So hopefully that'll help you. I'm gonna turn these off. I'm done. It's hot today, but I wanted to make that video, cover that topic. Oh, there we go. All right. So I'm gonna cut this video off and get out here. It's hot, but I wanted to do that because, like I said, it was just conversation I had with someone the other day, and you know, just oh no. It wouldn't even kind of let you talk and rationalize. So I thought, you know what? I'm just going to make a video because there's probably someone else out there same way, or thinking about it, or worried about it, or someone that just thinks it absolutely can't be done. You can show them this video. So if you got some metal laying around, some of it's stainless, some of it's not, and you're building something, and you can, you know, that one piece is perfect, but it's stainless, well, go ahead and use it. It won't matter. I've stuck that stuff together so many times it ain't even funny. You're just burning the nickel out of it. It's all you're doing. So, I mean, it works fine. I mean, you can see what I did on the side of this log splitter I built. It just, you know, I mean, a cup holder and one for my little hatchet there for my stringy wood. But, I mean, I welded the bottom up in it and everything. Left some holes in it for the water to drain out. It's fine. It's stout as can be. And these, you know, you can see the penetration ring all the way around it. So, and that's good high-grade stainless. Magnet won't stick to it. I mean, if you got junkier stainless, you can weld it even better because it's got more carbon in it than it does the nickel. So when you get to that point, the magnet will stick. Not all stainless is non-magnetic. It depends on the level of nickel in it. So anyway, I hope that helps. I'm going to keep this video short. So leave your thoughts below. What do you think about that? You know, thoughts and opinions below. Talk amongst yourselves. So, but I just wanted to make that because they just thought that it could not be done. It was impossible unless you had some big special TIG equipment or something. I don't know. I've done it before so many times. So anyway, enough of that. But thoughts and comments below. Let me know what you think about this. And stay tuned. We got more welding videos, more builds, more wood stuff. I will get back in the wood yard here for too long, and got some builds coming up, so stay tuned for that. And I guess that's it for this video. So as always, like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye.